What's up, everyone? 2020 Bowman Draft Sapphire. One box for MT number 15 we're on. Let's roll the dice here for the teams first. 6 plus 5 is an 11. We should have 30 teams. Beautiful. 11 we go to. 10 and 11. The Padres are at the top. The Giants are at the bottom. 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Let's go to the 30 people. Beautiful. Let's go. '11th and final. There you guys go. Dean at the top. It's funny how that works out. And Awase at the bottom. There you guys go. 11. 11. 11. Let me alphabetize everyone here. Quick one box break. Awesome. If you guys need any trades, please let me know. Yeah, I know. Torque. Torque. That's what I see. On my notes, I see Julio, Torque, Strider, Walker, Bobby Witt, Jason Dominguez, Nick York, Zach Veen, Casey Martin, and Mason Wynn. Those are the 2020 Bowman Draft Sapphires. Nice. I see some trades here. I'll give you guys a second. Yeah. Can't start with Torque. I love Torque too. I wish he could just figure it the hell out. I know, he sucks. I wish he could just figure it out. All right, traders, day traders, night traders, let me know when I'm good to go here. Let me know when I'm good to go. I need trades here. Mariners and Nats for the Braves. Wheaton, if you're out there, we got a trade. But until, if I hear I'm good to go, then I'm ready to rock and roll here. MGH with the Royals. Wheaton, looking for you if you're out there, brother. Mariners and Nats for the Braves. 2 teams for your Braves. That's what we're looking for. We'll give it a second. I think Block's right. Do it. Do the trade. Do the trade, he says. Wheaton, we are trading, right? Confirm that we are trading. Siren the bells. Confirmed trade. That's all I need. Hey, Blockman, for the principal purposes, could you just write 1? Could you just write a 1? Block. Just finish it out. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank goodness. Awesome. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Let's rock and roll here. 1 box random team number 15. I don't think I put another one in the store, but that's okay. We'll put one more when we're done. Let's rock and roll. Max Meyer for the fish on his first. Forgot about him. Tank Hence. Julio. Little Julio piece. Little base. Josh Young. Mitchell Parker. Jared Jones first. Slade. Jaron Duran. Theo Hall card number 2 and Allen and Ginter, Heston Kjerstad first. Okay. To our green and our yellow. See our green first. Shea, by the way, in front. An upside down Ronaldo Hernandez. Green, 18 out of 50. The catcher for the Rays and Wheaton. And a yellow of Drew Romo. Just talking about this kid earlier for the Rockies and Izzo. 62 out of 99. I mean, they drafted him for a reason, and they drop Elias Diaz. Could it be Drew Romo's time? I don't know. We'll have to see. Yes, definitely putting Maggio on the Giants. For sure. Oh, yeah. My. Send it right to Maggio. Here's your recap, ladies and gentlemen. Just a couple cards. Top load, might as well. Yellow, Drew Romo out of 99. Ronaldo Hernandez out of 50 for the Rays. That was 2020 Bowman Draft Sapphire 1 box random team number 15. Thank you.